Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be teaching about knotless braids. I'll be showing you how to make them to look good on your client's hair. Okay, so I'm using city molding gel. I bought it in Kenya, Afro shop. So you have first to start parting the hair according to the way you want them to be. I mean the size. You can make them neatly to your expectations. And after that you can start now parting the back part. So this is the part that I need to start with, and I'll be parting it into 3 parts. So I'll be parting it into 3 parts, and this is how I do it. 1, then 2, then 3. So those are the 3 parts I need. And I'll be starting like this. So you have to hold your hair like that, then you can plait first that way. This is the first one, and then you pick a strand of braid, you add this way, then you have to plait again. 1, 2, you make it straight, 3, straight, and then you can add another strand of braid this way, that way, plait again, make it straight, and then you add, you make straight, and then you add, so, and then now I have to plait onwards like that. If you want them to be long after doing the finishing, or maybe while you're doing the finishing, you can add the braids as you continue, but for my client this one is enough for her. She doesn't need them to be too long. That way is good. So you can see there's no knot there, and so let's do the other one here. This one I'll be starting it differently, so you have to check it and see how I'm doing it. So you have again to part into 3 parts that way. It doesn't matter the comb you're using. And then I'll be starting it under like this, and then after that I have to add. You see, you can see a slight difference there. So then you plait onwards that way, then you plait like that, make it straight, then you add another strand of hair that way, then you plait that way, then that way. So add again another one in this manner, you plait, okay, and then you can add another one, then you plait. You can see the way it's looking. So let's add the last strand that way, and let's do the finishing to the end. If you want them to be neat, make sure you finish them neatly or maybe tightly. Okay guys, so let's continue. You can see it looks good. So guys, the method is still the same. I mean, this one has a slight method than the first one. So let's start another one here. And this one here is still the same as the second one I did. So we have to do it this way. And then make it that way to be straight. And you'll be picking a small strand of the hair according to the size of the hair of the strands you parted for the hair. That will be good to bring the style out good. Yeah. So you continue as you add. That way you make it straight, then you add another one. Sorry. Then you play it like that, then you add another one, play it. You can see it's looking so nice. So guys, you can try this method to see what you can achieve. Yeah. The last one here, and this one now I have to let you watch and do something. So guys, this is what we have been doing, and now the knotless are looking so good. They are very neatly done, and so there's no pain. Yeah, and they're very, very nice. So thank you for joining this class today to know how to make the neat knotless box braid. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Until we meet next time. Bye bye.